Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox and install the baby fitness blanket. So let's jump into it. So these are all the parts that you need for the installation. It looks a little bit complicated, but actually it's pretty simple. So these are the bases that you have to install first. Then you have to install these parts on the base. These ones in the round bottoms, and then these ones on the end with this side out. After that, you will need to install between these two the sound machine. So for this, you will need a few batteries, which you have to open it here, and I'm going to show you in a minute. But first, let's install it in the back. So you need these screws on the side to screw this part in. So this is the back side, and then you have to install the top of the frame. You just have to insert it in the base like that. Then you have to attach these side bars, and on these you can also add a few toys. I think these are the ones that you have to add on the side. So on one side you have to add this little penguin in the eggshell. To add it, you have to press these bars through the toys like that. In the middle you will need your penguin, so you have to press these buttons on the side so you can install it like that. And then let's close the eggshell with the other side like this, and now you have your penguin inside the egg, and it can be opened like that. So you have to add this part on the side. Then for the other side you have to add these flowers and this butterfly, and add this to the other side of the frame. Then you can add the toys on the top as well. So the instruction says that the mirror goes in the middle. So there is this sticker on the mirror, you have to peel it off. Then on the back side of the mirror there is a little attachment point. Just add the ring to it and then attach it to the top of the frame. So these are all the toys that you can hang on the top. Obviously you can change the order as your little one prefers them. And now let's jump into the back to see how to start the little sound machine on the back. So you have to screw this out, and let's install some batteries in it. You will need 3 pieces of AA batteries in here. So let's install them. And the sound machine boots up and it's ready to play. And as your little one is going to kick all these buttons, it is going to be very interesting for them to play with this and to enjoy all the different sounds and lights when they are playing in it. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.